How to delete Microsoft Edge from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer permanently. First, you want to right click on the Start button and then click on Apps and Features. And from here, you will need to search for Edge and then click on Edge. And if you see an Install button right here or the Uninstall button available, just click on it. Now, if you can't click on it for some reason, don't worry. Here is a second solution. First, you will need to open up your browser and then search for Wise Cleaner like this. And then click on the first link, click on the Download Center, and then scroll down and download Wise Program Uninstaller. Hit the free download button, and then just download the setup and run the setup to uninstall the program on your PC. I have it already installed, so I'm just going to open the Wise Program Uninstaller. And from here, first you will need to click on Microsoft Edge on the left side. Select everything inside here and then click on Uninstall. So just check all the boxes that you find right here. And then hit the Uninstall button, which is on the top right. And then do the same for the Internet Explorer as well. And then hit the Uninstall button. Next, you want to click on System Components, search for Edge, select this one and then click on Uninstall. Next, go to Desktop App, search for Edge as well and select Edge and hit the Uninstall button. And once you're done, you will simply need to restart your computer. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you on the next one.